Episode 10. Posture is a forecast, not a position. We often think of posture as a shape the body holds. Head up, shoulders back, stand straight, don't slouch. But posture is not a position. Posture is a prediction. Your body organizes itself based on what it expects will happen next. It does not shape itself for aesthetics. It shapes itself for survival. Posture is the nervous system's forecast of movement, pressure, and threat. If the body expects load, it braces. If the body expects danger, it contracts. If the body expects chaos, it compresses to protect itself. Posture is not a habit to correct. It is a strategy the body uses to stay safe. This means we cannot fix posture by forcing alignment. We must change the expectation that created it. The body will not stand tall if it expects pain. The body will not open if it predicts instability. And the body will not relax if movement feels dangerous. Posture expresses what the nervous system believes. If the belief is, I might fall, the body tightens to stabilize. If the belief is, I cannot absorb force, the body compresses to protect joints. If the belief is, I don't trust this pattern, the body slows down and braces to avoid uncertainty. Posture is not a fault. Posture is a foresight. This is why posture changes instantly when the nervous system feels safe again, not when we try to hold ourselves differently. When movement becomes predictable, the body opens. When timing becomes clear, tissue tone normalizes. When fascia can transmit force cleanly, joints no longer need to compress to protect themselves. Posture improves when forecasting improves. This is where adaptive bodywork does something most modalities do not. We do not try to lengthen posture or strengthen posture. We change the information the nervous system is using to make predictions. We organize tissue to reduce noise. We restore timing to improve confidence. We resolve defensive tone so the body can stop forecasting danger. When the nervous system trusts movement, posture reorganizes without conscious effort. Not because someone tells the body what to do, but because the body finally knows what it can do. Posture is not a correction, it is a consequence. A consequence of safety, of clarity, of predictable movement, and a system that no longer fears its own output. In the next episode, we will explore how movement styles, habits, and athletic identities are shaped by these predictions, and how changing the forecast changes the way a person walks, lifts, sprints, and lives. Until then, remember, your posture is not who you are. It is who your nervous system is preparing you to be. Adaptive Bodywork, where the body learns a safer future.